Northside Painting Contractors is a Perth-based company that provides professional painting and coating services to Western Australia's commercial and industrial sectors. Since 1992, our highly skilled and fully qualified painting contractors have undertaken and successfully completed thousands of projects across the state. We have grown to become one of Perth's leading local contractors and are proud of the reputation we have gained for the quality of our workmanship and attention to detail. No job is too big or too small. We have extensive experience in completing even the most challenging interior and exterior projects on time and on budget. Northside Painting Contractors is a member of the Master Painters Association, which means our clients can rest assured that we use quality products, employ experienced tradespeople and deliver every project to the very highest standards. Our services include commercial painting, industrial coatings, commercial and industrial floor coatings, mining operations, government building works and large unit developments. We offer competitive rates, clear, concise written quotes and back all of our work with a full warranty. For complete painting and coating solutions, contact Northside Painting Contractors. Quality workmanship guaranteed.